In today's video, we're diving into the RolePlai AI review. The 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. If you've been on the lookout for the latest AI tool to elevate your marketing or business processes, you're going to want to stick around for this. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what RolePlai can do for you, why it's catching everyone's attention, and whether it's worth your time. Before we get into it, don't forget that you can try RolePlai completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. I'll also be sharing my top AI software picks at the end, so stay tuned. RolePlai is an AI software that has been designed to simplify digital marketing processes with cutting-edge automation features. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, RolePlai promises to revolutionize how you interact with data and optimize campaigns. The big question is, does it deliver? Let's break down the key features that you absolutely need to know. First, one of RolePlai's standout capabilities is its ability to automate data-driven decisions. With AI analyzing campaign data in real time, you can spend less time on manual optimization and more time scaling your business. Whether you're working with Google Ads, Facebook, or any major advertising platform, RolePlai can process that data, analyze performance, and suggest or implement optimizations automatically. Second, RolePlai integrates seamlessly with multiple platforms, making it a powerful tool for marketers who want to consolidate their workflows. Gone are the days of hopping between multiple apps just to manage your marketing campaigns. With RolePlai, you can integrate your favorite tools, whether it's social media management, email marketing, or ad platforms, all in one place. Third, its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for anyone, even those without a deep technical background. Many AI tools can be intimidating to newcomers, but RolePlai breaks that mold with a dashboard that's easy to navigate. It's built to help you jump straight into your marketing strategies without needing to learn complicated workflows. Fourth, RolePlai's predictive analytics feature is one of the highlights that will impress even the most seasoned marketers. With the power to forecast trends, you can proactively adjust your campaigns before they start underperforming. This predictive edge is a game changer, allowing businesses to stay ahead of the curve. Now, let's talk about cost. RolePlai's pricing model is designed with scalability in mind. Whether you're just starting or managing large-scale campaigns, you'll find a plan that fits your budget and needs. And yes, it's free to try, so you can experience these features firsthand before making a commitment. The platform also excels in helping you with A/B testing. By running automated tests, you can determine what ad copy, images, or strategies are truly performing, and RolePlai will help you implement those results across your campaigns in real time. Finally, RolePlai's AI is not just about automation, it's also about deep insights. The software provides actionable analytics that go beyond surface-level metrics. Whether you're tracking customer behavior or refining your target audience, these insights allow you to make smarter decisions that move the needle for your business. So, is RolePlai worth it? Absolutely, especially if you want to simplify your digital marketing efforts, boost performance, and save valuable time. If you're looking for a tool that will give you an edge with automated optimizations, seamless integrations, and predictive insights, RolePlai might be exactly what you've been searching for. Remember, you can try it for free with the link below. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've found a few that I always come back to, and I've linked them in the description if you want to explore even more options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.